I don't think we've heard that song before. That was not.
No,
I did not
don't think
recognize
so,
that one.
yeah.
You know. Right to the next one. Do you know this one?
But all I know is that whenever Towa sings, man, my heart just sings. In a good way, in a good way.
Noise. I hope I said that right. I love the beat for this.
It's a 1, 2, 3 video.
Yeah.
That's so nice.
But you see, just with the tempo, it doesn't even sound like a fan. Oh my god. Oh my god. With the 1, 2, 3. Oh! Did you hear that? Jeez! Oh!
She just did the gap.
yeah, literally.
Oh look, it's the Windows movie player at the back. Look, the OG.
Yeah.
Hey, what's up?
Hello, there's the welcome, man. Yeah, exactly. Oh my god.
Oh, are you seeing the stars coming out of her mic, of her?
Right.
What is that coming out of her wrists?
Yeah, I think it is. I think it is. Yeah.
Voiced by Stella Stairs. Wow, she's adding those.
Of course, that would be extremely helpful, man. Thank you.
Oh yes, your channels are amazing, by the way.
Thank you, man. Very nicely formatted and everything. I appreciate that. Oh my god, man. It's my first time hearing a 3/4 signature at this high tempo as well.
Yeah.
Oh, again.
Oh,
when you think of 3/4, you think of a waltz, right? But yeah, look at this, man.
Yeah, that's amazing.
And hello there, welcome to the stream.
Welcome, thank you so much.
Oh my god, this is just so beautiful, man.
This doesn't remind you of Windows movie, the video play.
Yeah, it does.
Like the OG is like when you have the sound.
Kaleidoscope.
Yeah, kaleidoscope stuff.
Yeah, straight up. Oh my
What a
god.
close-up
2
of
songs
her.
in a row, by the way. Right in a row.
Close up, man.